Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Inside this box, metal carrying case, by the way, is this FANTTIK power screwdriver, like an electric screwdriver. This thing has an immense amount of power. I was shocked by it. So that changes your rotation, and you can turn it up and down how much power this thing has. So you go from 0.5 Newton meters up to 6. I don't know if you know this, but a Newton is the amount of force an apple puts on the ground at Earth's normal gravity. That's what a Newton is. Anyway, I just want to show you how powerful this stinking thing is. It just shocked my socks off. And then I'll show you some more stuff that goes on with this thing. That's impressive. Driving a screw into a stud with this little thing, that's amazing. Pulls it back out no problem, and it didn't strip the top of the screw. That's the best part of all. So this is a metal storage box. Pop the end off. Watch this. It releases the whole works. So now we can take out the power driver. And then right there, look at all these bits. These are held in with magnets. And you got everything here. Torx bits, square bits, hex bits, a square bit, some Phillips heads, some slotted. There's another square. Oh, what a nice kit. Just pull it out and they're all held in with magnets. Put that away. It doesn't fall out. Good handle. You can grip it pretty well. So this, I feel like, would be really good for doing just irritating tasks, like I'm in here doing a bunch of electrical. Just tightening and loosening this stuff over and over really gets on my nerves. Oops. There we go. Loosen, tighten. If you need to put a little extra grip into it, you could manually tighten these. But this takes these off no problem. It's torquey. Holy smokes, how's this 90 work? Okay, it's just a magnet that slides it on into place. Look at that for getting into tight spots. Wow, this thing really impressed me.